Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video private to public on TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then in here, if you wanna um change the video to private or go to public, or you want to change the video to public to private, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on your profile icon at the TikTok, and now you can click on the video that you want to setting, and then click on the three dots icon, this one, click on it, and in here you can swipe down until you can see privacy setting, this one. You just click on it. Okay, and then in here you can change this everyone to only me or your friend or your everyone. So that's how to change the video private to public tutorial on a TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy YouTube content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.